Hello friends, welcome to the Maimonides Mitzvah moment. Tonight I get to do a little bit of show and tell. This here is my ketubah, not a super fancy artistic one like some people have, but today's mitzvah is the mitzvah of ketubah. The ketubah is a contract between a husband and wife, which is obligatory in order for a Jewish husband and wife to live together. The woman must have the ketubah in her hands. The ketubah is a document that records a series of obligations that the husband has to his wife. And without this contract in place, the husband and wife are not allowed to live together. Today's mitzvah is the prohibition against the husband withholding any of the items in the ketubah that he is obligated to his wife. Now, the Rambam explains that there are 14 items in total on the ketubah, but 3 of them are biblical, and we'll focus on the 3 biblical obligations in today's lesson. The Torah says that a husband may not withhold she'era, ksuta, ve'onata. She'era means her food. The husband has an obligation to feed his wife. So the prohibition against withholding that. Ksuta is the obligation to clothe his wife, and onata is the obligation to be intimate with his wife. And today's mitzvah is the negative prohibition, prohibiting the husband to withhold any of these items. Now the Rambam actually goes into great detail to describe how much of each of these items a husband is obligated to give to his wife. Of course, in each of this, in all cases, it depends on the person's circumstance, his resources, and his lifestyle. The general principle is there's a certain bare minimum, and if he can't live up to that bare minimum, then he's in trouble. He's got to. He could be obligated to divorce her and let her find somebody that who can provide for her. Again, that's a decision she can forgo on that. These are her rights we're talking about here. But if there's no other way, then that could be an unfortunate situation. And so there's the bare minimum, and then after that, the wealthier he is, the more time he has, the more resources he has, then the scale goes up, and he has to provide more and more, as much as he can, both in all respects, in respects to into the amount that he feeds her and the quality of food, and the same thing with clothing and intimacy as well.